Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. I am master esthetician with over 20 years of experience and also owner of Kiwi Spa here in sunny San Diego. And in today's video, I would like to share with you an amazing information about one of my favorite ever tools, about some little piece of magic in my hands, and it's a gua sha tool. Sorry, like that, with Kiwi Spa logo. A gua sha tool. I love to use two tools at the same time for better results, of course. I have a whole collection. But let me first start from saying that all gua sha tools that I use, they made from all natural stones. And you all know that natural stones, crystals, is a great way to share your energy. And we all can re-energize them, and we all can do positive affirmations, and we can say beautiful words and do great visualizations, and then we can put all this energy into our magical tool. And then once you doing special massage with gua sha, this energy will circulate through your crystal, going back into your face and into your body, and it just kind of like re-energizes us as well, help us to restart. And the most important, it becomes much more beneficial when we're using it for our skin. So today I'm so happy and so excited to share with you that knowledge about these beautiful tools come from my Ukrainian grandma. My grandma was a traditional Ukrainian healer. She knew everything about plants, everything about our body, everything about secret hidden areas and spots on our body, points on our body where we need to give some pressure or to massage it, and it kind of like will help to heal our body. And she was also working a lot with fascia. I hope you all know what is fascia. So fascia, it's this white membrane that surrounds all our muscles, and it's like under our skin. It's actually a very important organ that not many people knows how important is that. And with the help of gua sha tool, you can do very positive changes also working with your fascia. And results are amazing, not just in toning and lifting your face and your skin and reducing fine lines and wrinkles, but also you can open some channels for your lymph and for your blood flow to go a little different in your body, and it will relax some muscles, and it will also make your face look younger, make your facial expressions look different. I will add some pictures in the end of this video where you can see me. I didn't do my gua sha tool probably for 5 months because I was traveling and I was busy, and it just seems like it was never enough time to do it. But then I'm like, I look at my face, I'm like, oh, I look not like I always look, like something changed in me. And then I started to use my gua sha tools once a week. And I did special massage, which I'm going to share with you today. I use techniques, some of techniques of my grandma. And once you see my result before and after, you will understand what these magical tools can do for you. Besides all the amazing anti-aging properties, it can also do some inner healing. So let's get started. Let me put my bunny ears. And I have my bunny ears. I'm so happy. I'm so happy to look at myself every time when I have my bunny ears, because I feel when we put a little ears on us, our mood shifts immediately, and we just become so much more happier and ready to do some self-love, acts of self-love. Every facial, every home treatment, everything you do for your skin, for yourself, it's an act of self-love, and it's highly recommended to everyone. So let's get started. I'm going to put my hair up. I always start from these areas. In these areas we have a lot of pressure points and a lot of muscles that can be expanded. So our job first to let lymph go through these areas, go straight to our scalp, to our face, through simple drainage system, and then we will start from this area. So I will put my hair up and we will start. I'm going to start from my shoulders, going up and wiggle in the end 5 times. And I'm going to repeat it 5 times as well, using 2 tools for both sides. And then let's go closer to our core. And then going back up to scalp. Wiggle here. Let's go again. Now, once we massage this area, we want to work with our fascia, which is a membrane. So the move for a fascia, we want to move it from a place where it is, turn around a little bit our gua sha tool, so we kind of like moving it and turning it, so lymph and blood can go freely through this place. So let's go up, and then I will turn around it first to that side, and hold. Let's do again. You see, I'm going kind of like that, right? And now I will go from that side to here and hold. And again, from that side to here and hold. Now we need to massage these areas here. So I will do it like that. So I'll go up and we go right here behind my ears from both sides. Every movement I repeat 5 times, but just for the video, in order to show you more, I will do kind of like each movement twice so you can see. And then in order to work with the fascia, I will put my 2 tools in here and I will turn around my fascia and do like half circle and hold and less pressure. And now again, more pressure and we're going half round. Okay, half round and hold. I do feel a lot of relaxation already from that side. So let's do this side now. Half circle. Right here, my muscles are so tight right here, so you cannot. Okay, let's go again. 1, 2, 3. And hold. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3. And hold. Perfect. Now we will work on our neck and décolleté area. So let's start from these pressure points in here, and we'll go slowly up as our lymph drainage system going. And here is some pockets. We want to massage this first. Going up, feels so good. Up to here, and then let's go to that place. I always say to all my clients, please apply your products not just on your face, but also on your neck and on your décolleté, because your neck and décolleté, it's extension of your face. And now let's work with our fascia. So again, if we want to go, we want to move to that side, so we will start from here. Okay, and then let's go up and half circle and relax and just breathe. And hold. And let go. Okay, let's continue again. Let's go from here. Half circle. And breathe. Perfect. And now let's go from that side to here and move our membrane for a better blood circulation, for lymph to go. So going slowly up and moving it to the side. And breathe. Let's do again. Here, up and moving to the side. And breathe. Perfect. And you can repeat each movement 5 times. Now we're going to work with our neck and stimulate these muscles of the neck and actually tight our neck. So there is a couple movements that you can do with gua sha tool for your neck. My first movement that I absolutely love, it's kind of like to speed blood circulation and to warm up this area. So I do very light motions that touching my neck and under chin. And it feels so good. And now I will turn around my tool this way, and we will connect it right here, right? And then I understood that I'm not holding it right. Okay, yes, now it feels good. Okay, and then go slowly up with the lifting motions. You will feel in these areas your bones, and it's very important just to give this kind of light pressure and just move your membrane, your fascia, just in this direction. Now let's put our tools to the table for a second, and right here let's work with our fascia. So we will do this movement first under our chin, and then we will do it like that and turn to that side and just massage. Let's do one more time, like that, and then you feel it with your finger and you turn it, massage, perfect. Let's do now to that side. We're going up, turn it, and going to that side. Hold, breathe, good. One more time, going to that side, perfect. And remember, each move 5 times. Now our face. Now we prepare all this area, and now we need to go to our face. So let's start from, just we'll take our tools like that. Okay, let's start from here. From this, okay, go up. The little zigzags. The temples, on temples, 5 little circles. Okay, let's go again. Little zigzags and 5 little circles. Feels so good. Now let's go closer to our chin. Go slow with your skin, and I like already here to turn around and go to the temples. You see, I already moved my fascia in this area. So again, straight. It feels so good. Now, sometimes when we're drinking from a straw, we might seem like a little, lines on our lip. We can totally remove them with gua sha tool. What you need to do, take one. If you use one tool, it's fine. You can always hold the skin and just stretch it down, but I just like to use my 2 tools. And I just will do that first. Not too strong, but we need to relax all these muscles. And then I will go to half lip and just pull it to the sides. Like that. Same here. Now, how we work on the lines around here. What I do, I can do that. This is a great exercise that helps elasticity and collagen reproduce in these areas. So we go ups and down. And to the sides. And now, after you did massage in this area, same from that side, you want to take your tool and lift your skin up. Just like that. And then let's do from both sides. Every little move that you're doing with your gua sha, after this move, just take your skin always up and try to wiggle it, like just do a half circle to move your membrane from its regular position to unusual position. And that will help to your lymph and blood flow differently, and you will definitely see an amazing change in your face. Now, right here, we have some muscles that we almost kind of like don't touch. Even when we apply our skincare, we do this, but we never do that, right? But here, it's a lot of channels. If we release these channels, again, we have much more fresher face. All our products will penetrate better. We have a different blood flow. So I love to take my 2 tools and just massage like that, this bone in here. It's also will lift your skin, and you have like a little bit skin that, weight of the skin that falling in this area. Just this movement itself will give you a great contouring effect. So that's what I do here. And then in the end, always go up and circle. Move your membrane to different position and let everything flow. So the main technique of my grandma, how she taught me to do gua sha massage, it's to move, and then change the position of your fascia. You move everything, you make muscles more warmer, you stimulate them, and then you just move the membrane and hold. And this you can do actually on every place of your face. Many people will ask me like how to get rid of dark circles under the eyes. So 2 tools. With one tool I will hold here, and second tool I just will move to my first tool. And once they kind of touch, I will move both of them. Okay, again, a little pressure, and then with the second, again, more pressure, and then once our tools touch, we're moving them to here, and we kind of like doing here our half circle. One more time. So I take one tool, move. Second one, move up, and go here. And if you have some 11s right here, it's also, you just need to hold skin here with one tool, stretch it a little bit, and second tool, you just do this. That's the first move, and then this is the second move. These 2 moves help to any kind of lines. 1, 2, that's how you're relaxing muscles, and then you stimulate them. Don't forget about your eyebrows, they can drip sometimes, right? So what I do that. And also remember that these 2 crystals, they was recharged by you, so every time when you put them into different spots, there is an energy between them that goes through your skin, and it's also relaxing your skin from inside and take any kind of tension. I'm going to do same massage on the other side of my face, and then my last move of this massage it will be to take kind of like steam from my temples and turn it around and go to scalp and hold here. These places have also a lot of pressure points, so it's very important you take skin from here and you turn in here and you just release tension by doing these movements, and you do same from that side. I'm going to do this massage on the other side, and then I will show you how my face will look. Picture before 5 months and picture that I just did couple days ago. So during 5 months I did this massage for half an hour once a week, exactly the way like I show you today, and every time I see that my skin looks fresher, better. But also if you will look at the picture, first of all you will see that my expressions on my face are much more relaxed. I also noticed that my nose is a little bit bigger on the first picture, but on the second picture it's already smaller. And also I see that my eyes on the first picture, they kind of like more going up front. I can definitely see a lot of tension on my face, but on the second picture it's much more relaxed, like all expressions of my face look so much more relaxed. So you can see what kind of results I got doing it only 4 times a month during last 5 months, and I would highly recommend to all of you to try and work not just with your muscles but also with your fascia. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I can wait to see you back to my channel. Love you all.